Hey everybody, what's up? Tim with today's magnetic moment, titled The Illusions Fear Brings. We're going to leverage a quote from earlier in the week that said, it's okay to be afraid. It just means that you are on the verge of something really, really big. How many times have you wanted to take a plunge or take an action and go for something, and fear has rolled in and it's kept you immobilized? It's kept you from going for what you want. It's kept you paralyzed and in the same position, and it's ridden you until you've just given up. That's what fear does. And what I've found is anytime I'm ready to take a next step into something awesome, achieve a new goal, break through to a new level, it always is preceded by a significant barrier of fear that exists. And right now, it's super overcast. The clouds are deep and thick, and you can't even see the sun. And they also cast a huge shadow, and it's cold, and it's windy, and it's dark. And we know the sun's up there, but the clouds stand between us and the sun. But here's the deal, there is no substance to those clouds. If we got into a jet plane and we got high enough, we could punch right through those clouds. And when we do, the sun would be out, and it would be warm, and it would be shining, and we'd get to go after that sunny day that we're looking for. Same thing happens with us. We're trying to go for that next level, achieve that next dream, but the clouds of fear roll in. And it gets dark, and it gets windy, and it gets cold, and we cave. They are a test, folks. Fear is a test to see how bad you want it, but there is no substance to it. There's no substance to the clouds. It's just water vapor. You can fly right through it. Many times the fears that we create, we magnify in our own mind. There's no substance to them. They are an illusion, but they are here to ask us and test us to say, is this really what I want? Do I really want to go for it? Do I have the guts and the courage to punch through them and to go after that sunny day, to go after that goal, to go after that dream, whatever it is? Because what I've seen is when fear shows up, victory is right around the corner. If you can push through them, keep going, and not give up. So if you got fear rolling in, number one, it means you're on the verge of something awesome, which is really cool. Number two, don't be intimidated by the cold. Don't be intimidated by the clouds. Don't be intimidated by the dark. It's simply a barrier of no substance. It only has the limiting power that you give it. Don't give it any. Set your wings. Get into that climb, just like that airplane, and be persistent and stay the course one day at a time, day after day after day, until you break through those clouds into that sunshine, and you'll be glad you did, because you are launched into that new level and you're able to grab hold of exactly what you know you're supposed to have and what you've been pushing for. So, Tim, with today's magnetic moment, hope you found it helpful. Punch through that fear. It's just an illusion. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.